I want to thank y'all for attending. God bless. Peace. Woo! I got a bad chick. Man, I got a bad. What's up with y'all? Wit Entertainment. We're going to keep it moving, keep it moving. We're going to play a little music for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to bring out the next group, y'all. So y'all just hang in there. All right. Mac Marv and friends. Y'all give them a round of applause. Give them a round of applause, y'all. They rock. All right, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Coming to y'all with TNT. I got my son on the water cooler. You need some ice cold water now, y'all. Just look to your left or look to your right. You'll see it. Ice cold water. I'm thirsty right now. All right. I wish we could. I wish we could do that. That would be lovely. I need one myself right now. TNT. We're gonna bring up TNT to the stage, y'all. We need them over here right now. We need TNT over here right now. Wow, we're gonna get it popping. Wit Entertainment, Underground Sounds of Memphis. This is our first time doing this, but it won't be the last, I guarantee you. It will not be the last time. We gonna bring the noise. We need something like this in Memphis, baby. A-town up, M-town down, baby.